Hello everybody, this is Sachin Jadhav. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to set pictures on folders without using any softwares and apps. Hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon to get more notifications. Thanks for joining me again. As you can see, I am on the laptop screen. First, you need to convert JPG image to bit format. Just right click on this. You can see edit option. Just click on this. Just click on pen. You can see save as option. Click on JPG picture. You can see save as type. By clicking on this, you can see 24 bitmap. Just click on this. Just click on save. Close. By clicking right click on this folder, you can see properties. By clicking on this, you can see customize. Just click on this. Below you can see folder icons. In that you can see change icon. By clicking on this, you can see so many icons over here. Select the icon you want. I am going to set my own picture on folder. That's why I am going to click on browse. You can see icon file. Just click on this. Select all files. Here you can see my own pic. I just click on this, then click on open, then click OK, click apply, click on OK. Just refresh it. You can see my pic on this folder. Thanks for watching.